one of the main reasons the successful people today are successful because they have failed fast. And the point over here is most of the people, they are too late, too lazy to go outside of their comfort zone and try something new. But the successful people, they try to find out, that they try to go and just indulge themselves into some activities they want to learn, or they find it attractive. And that's what the successful people do. They do fast, they try things fast, and they fail fast. And that's why they figure out the exact thing, the exact blueprint that actually works. And the rest of the people, the normal civilians, they are so much lazy that they just don't want to break through from that comfort zone. They just don't want to go out and hustle. They want to own a Rolls Royce, but they can't even go for a run. They want to own a Ferrari, but they can't even focus for an hour or two. And they think like by sitting, just scrolling, doom scrolling the Instagram, the social media apps, the Ferrari, the Zers, Lamborghini will park outside their house. That's also insane kind of the delusion. And there are a difference between the delusion that you see by putting into the work, and that you have a calculated belief that if I do X thing for X amount of year, if I give such actions for over a certain period of the time, then I'm really gonna achieve it. And another one dream, like you are just doom scrolling and inspiring from the other people's success in the social media, and you are actually not putting anything into the work. And with that, you can never get successful, because until you put into the action, then you are never going to reach anywhere. So in order to reach anywhere, you need to go outside and do the thing. You need to go to the world and present yourself. If they doesn't give you, if you don't have the thing you want, just go ask for it, snatch for it if needed. The point over here is you need to go and do anything seed that you want in your life, because the life is unfair, the life is selfish, the world doesn't care about you, and it doesn't even remember the laziness, the failureness, and the person who is in their comfort zone. So if you want to make changes, if you want to make some impact, and if you want the life that you really crave for, if you really want the success, then you need to go outside to the world and ask for it. And that's why I'm recording this video, because I know that I haven't reached to the place where I want to reach it. So I need to just keep chasing that path. I need to just keep chasing that dream, so that eventually someday I will reach to that place. Because if I stop trying, then I will be left at the exact place where I am today, and there is no any growth that comes with me following me, because if I don't put into the action. So action matters a lot. I'm over here chasing my dreams at the very sharp. Usually I used to wake up at the 9 a.m. and rush for going to the work, but today is my holiday. Today was my holiday, and that's why I decided to come over here, some peaceful environment, to the park, just a nearby park where you can sit over here, meditate, have a peace morning, and you can even exercise. I have my running shoes on downwards, and I'm fully in the mood to just do the exercises, because I just don't want to be a thinker, I just don't want to be a talker, I want to be a doer, I want to be an action taker. And if I don't take action, then this thing is gonna make me regret very much later in my life, because I just don't want to be the guy who just talk and give a big talk and doesn't do any action. The changes, the life you want actually becomes a reality, start to show, appears in your real life once you start taking actions. And that's what the reality is.